Provisioning user mailboxes and assigning Microsoft Office 365 licenses. The Identity Enforcer module can provision user mailboxes and assign licenses in Microsoft Office 365. Additionally, a mail retention policy can be assigned to a newly created mailbox to enforce an organization's electronic mail protocols. Before you begin, you need the Microsoft Online Services Sign-In Assistant and the Windows Azure Active Directory module for Windows PowerShell. To provision user mailboxes and assign Microsoft Office 365 licenses, start at the Avatir Identity Management Suite product tree and select Active Directory under Options. This page contains the Office 365 configuration settings as well as the AIMS Office 365 work queue for viewing pending request status. Select the Active Directory connector name for account provisioning of Office 365 mailboxes and services. Enter the name of your Office 365 domain instance. Select Using Directory Synchronization but Password Synchronization is not enabled to synchronize Active Directory users and groups with Office 365. With this selection, you maintain separate passwords for Active Directory and Office 365 accounts. Using Directory Synchronization with Password Synchronization is used if you have configured Directory Synchronization to synchronize user passwords between your domain and your Office 365 instance. Using Directory Synchronization with Federation is used when you have federated services established between your domain and the Microsoft Office 365 cloud, and you are using Microsoft's single sign-on option for Office 365. When you select the Directory Synchronization but Password Synchronization is not enabled, set the default password for Office 365 user accounts. The license delay sets the time to wait before applying an available Office 365 license for items in the queue with a waiting for execution date status. The default value is 60 minutes. Changing this value only affects new records added to the queue. Records currently in the queue when this setting is changed are not affected. Select Populate the Target Address attribute with email addresses to enable this feature. To administer your Office 365 instance, enter the user ID of an account with the appropriate permissions. Then enter the password of the Office 365 administrator account. Select Test to make sure your connection is enabled. The first connection attempt may take up to a minute to verify the credentials. After you receive validation the connection works, select Save to enable your configuration. For more on provisioning user mailboxes and assign Microsoft Office 365 licenses, visit the Avatir Support Wiki.